まともにマグマと戦ったらやられるぞ。急いでサソギラスを引き上げさせろ。マグマと戦っている暇はない。
しかし
原水爆の使用を禁止する条約はひとまず阻止した。サソギラスには別な重要な仕事がある。指令を送れ。はっ。くそー、マグマめ。
Let's go. This way. They aren't here. Haranda's men used this house to meet here last night. Search the area. What the UN needs is evidence of the H-bomb. Get going.
Yes, sir.
You men, come with me.
I think we... Commander,
What's wrong?
do you hear it?
Hear what?
A strange ticking. That ticking noise sounds like some kind of device, they said.
You're right. We better get out of here right now.
Commander, if I can find the explosive, we can save the house and all its evidence.
You're right. Mura, hurry up. There's little time.
One minute from now, it explodes.
The monster disappeared after giving off a smoke screen. The smoke screen contained a gas that caused the United Nations leaders difficulty in breathing. The creature is a menace to world peace and must be destroyed. Rodak has obviously summoned the monster for the purpose of creating friction among the countries of the Earth.
According to what Mora said, Rodak has teamed up with Haranda in an effort to take over the Earth. With Haranda on Rodak's side, that increases the odds against the Earthlings to survive. The newest weapon they're using is this gas the monster's sending out. It may be a nerve gas. We'll have to find an antidote.
This is terrible. Each country will accuse each other, which will end the treaty for nuclear weapons.
If you're right, Silva, each country will declare war against the other. That is exactly what Rodak would plan to do. It is important that you search for that creature and destroy it, Goldar.
Yes, sir.
It must be told to the Earthlings that this is the work of Rodak and Horonda. The Earthlings must remain at peace with each other.
I understand.
This is one of the most important conflicts the Earthlings will be facing since Rodak's arrival. It is a true challenge for mankind to stay united in such a crisis. Never before have they faced such a threat. On one side are the forces of Rodak and Horonda. On the other, the Earthlings' most dangerous invention, the H-bomb, turned against them. For the first time, the Earthlings must not think solely of their own countries, but join together. The survival of their planet is at stake.
Where could Rodak have hidden those H-bombs?
Possibly in his spaceship, or any one of 100 places in every corner of the Earth. Horonda's organization is everywhere. It could take months to find those bombs.
We must turn months into days, or it'll be too late.
I don't know of any quick way, Goldar. If we don't hurry and find where Rodak hid them, those bombs will be used against the Earthlings soon.
You know, I think those nuclear devices are too far away.
You could be right. We'll have to pick a starting point and work from there. Every second counts.
Yes, sir.
Find those bombs or all is lost.
9、8、7、6、5、4、3、2、1、0、で打ち方やめ打ち方やめこれで本日の訓練終わるなんだ海流出現全員戦闘配置に戻れで
It's still alive. Keep firing. Yes, sir. Continue shooting. Don't let that creature get close to us.
Mr. Yazawa,
Huh?
I told everyone how expertly you found the explosives today.
Thanks. It was my duty to locate it. What you don't understand is that Yazawa specializes in looking for hidden explosives. He's the best in disarming high explosives.
Huh.
Thanks. I was scared, knowing it could go off at any time. I don't like toying with danger, but who does?
Without Yazawa, I don't know what I would have done today. We can count on Yazawa locating those 3 stolen weapons in no time.
It's a contest. Goldar's out looking for them, too.
Good. So it's Goldar and I.
Sir, our missile troop was just attacked. They have contacted us to send help. What? We tried to establish additional contact. However, now their radios aren't working.
That's strange.
Gam, let me go with you and check.
Okay.
Gam, I see something down there.
Let's find out what's going on. It's awfully quiet. Much too quiet for the complex, isn't it? No one's around here, which I find very strange. Don't you think it is? They said there was an attack here. Why isn't there anyone around?
Come on. Let's take a peek on the other side. Hurry. They're all gone. The missile troops have been wiped out.
Who could have done such a thing? We'll tell the authorities. Geiger counter's reacting.
Geiger counter?
Yesterday, I was ordered to wear it.
Ah, a Geiger counter, huh?
It'll help to find the H-bomb. The closer they are, the louder this thing will click. Now we'll see if it'll assist us.
Let's hurry. It looks as though we scored a bullseye.
That's right. The plane that has been stolen was last seen in this area, here. We should start looking.
You're right, Gam.
Uh-huh. Let's start looking around here.
Okay, let's go.
Huh?
Destroy those two. Yes, sir. Ready. Fire.
Gam, start using your weapon.
Okay.
Why, you...
Miko, let's get out of here.
Okay.
Destroy it, yes, sir. That's the one Rodak had warned us about at the meeting. Your orders are to destroy that rocket at once. Now go, go. Yes, sir. So long.
I've heard a lot of good things about you, sir.
Thank you. So you're Mr. Gordon, the reporter from New York. Mura spoke well of you.
You look as if you put on a little weight. I was returning to New York when I heard about the story, so I decided to get off at this stop. Well, one story at a time. They should never have learned of the atom. It destroyed so much and caused an awful lot of trouble. Don't you think so?
Yes, I agree with you.
Commander, we just heard from Gam. He reported the bombs are around there.
Good. Get ready to go.
Listen, security's so tight, we can hardly get around.
I know, but we have to find those H-bombs. This is our only chance.
They'll transfer the bombs if we don't get hold of them now.
Mm-hmm.
We'll wait for the commander now.
Gam said the men were found here. Aranda's men were here, and here. He believes the bombs are located at this point, 200 yards from the bay. That means the island is quite possibly surrounded. It won't be easy getting in if they're that well dug in. It was a slaughter. According to the details, the unit didn't have a chance. Aranda must be quickly destroyed.
It's amazing. I don't think that this Aranda's a human being. Sir, we've got to get in there. What's the best way, in your opinion?
Goldar.
But no one knows where he is.
I'm aware he disappeared. Until he shows up, we'll just have to do our best.
We also have to learn Aranda's target.
I know. I think Aranda's going to drop the bomb on a city around here.
The bombs are in this warehouse. We've got to get them. Aranda will transfer them as soon as he learns we're on to him.
Commander, I'll go to the warehouse alone.
That would be a good idea. You might be able to do it. Since you are the expert, then you go.
Yes, sir.
If you can defuse the bombs in time, then we have a chance.
Commander, let me go.
No, not yet. It's dangerous till he defuses the bomb. You can accompany us to this point. From there, he'll go alone.
Orange 23 calling Orange 27. Orange 23 calling Orange 27. The International Complex Military Unit is proceeding toward your area by way of the Nagi Channel. They should be arriving at the entrance of the bay very shortly.
What's that? They'll get a surprise the second they land. No one's in the area. Let's go on. Here they come.
Ready?
Ready here. Okay. Fire!
Let's help.
Right.
What do we do, Commander? They've got us in a trap. Are the bombs around here? I think so.
Ready?
Over here.
Get him! I've got him now! Nico and Gam are on the other side. Get out of here.
Papa!
Damn, we're saved, huh?
Get after them.
Hurrah!
Hurry!
How'd you like my shooting? Not bad, huh?
I would have preferred that you didn't shoot. We can't get information now that they are destroyed.
You didn't think for 1 minute that they'd give us any information, huh? Huh?
Miko, let's not waste another instant.
Papa, we've got to get to the warehouse. However, the Orange Order has surrounded it.
Come here, Miko. Come here for a second. I'm working on an idea.
Uh-huh.
He's back. Get him. Hurry. Goldar.
Commander, order your men to stay back. All right, fight.
Uro, take several men and go that way. You come with me.
We'll destroy you with missiles, Goldar.
Zawa, there it is. The warehouse.
Get them.
All set?
Where are the others?
I don't know. There were 3 stolen. That means 2 are missing. Let's take a look.
The Space Avenger will keep them busy while I defuse this one.
Zawa, you've got to hurry up. Goldar can delay those killers only so long.
I know.
I'll go outside to keep watch.
Okay.
I see them.
It looks as if I'll have to tell Rodak to send the creature to destroy Goldar. All right, let's get out of here.
Mako, get down. When the wrench hit, I thought it would go off.
Phew.
Fight, Claw. You're not going to get the best of me this time.
It's okay.
That's great.
Battle's over.
The Space Avenger is very strong.
It's still alive.
Yazawa's just defused it.
That's great news. You're great, Yazawa. You saved us again.
Thanks. Mako, I'll take that.
You destroyed it, Goldar!
Law will not threaten you any longer. But all the news is not good. Gam has informed me that Yazawa was able to locate only one H-bomb. That means there are 2 others still to be found, and they may be hidden in separate places. If we do not find those bombs within the next 48 hours, a city will be bombed. You must make every effort to find those bombs. Rodak is no fool. They will be well hidden.
You're right, Goldar. The international complex is searching for them now.
Good. While you look for those bombs, I will go after Rodak and Haranda. We must hurry.
よくもサソギラスを倒したな。よーし。こうなったら破壊怪獣グラニアを撃ってマンガを叩き潰してやる。地球破壊怪獣グラニアを派遣しろ。
村上さん、また怪人が。村上さん、矢野君たち遅いじゃないですか。起爆装置はうまく外れたんだろうか。
そういえば確かに遅い。
何か事件でも。
奴らが起爆装置を持っている。あれがなければ水爆は爆発しない。奪い返せ。
くそ、国際スクランブルは忍び込んでいたんだ。気持ちにやめろ。
マグマ大使！
守たちに何かが起こったんだ。しかしマンワ大使は助けにはいけない。
Who's that?
マブル君、君はこの起爆装置を持ってみんなのいるミサイル発射場に行ってくれ。僕はガム君と一緒に戦う。
はい、気をつけて。
マブル君が。
Nico!
It's Rodak's new creature. Let's go. Right.
It disappeared.
Demolko, what's wrong?
The monster's vapor affected Miko. He's acting like a boy who's only 4 years old. Isn't there a chance that Miko could be cured soon?
The scientists are checking that now. They're not familiar with the gas that the creature claws set out. They're studying it at the Institute. As soon as they have a report, we'll know it immediately.
Mm-hmm. There has to be a way to cure that illness. I hope there is.
Tomoko, I just talked to the doctors. They say the dangerous gas will extinguish itself in 72 hours, more or less. Let's hope that they're right. You have little to fear, even though his health isn't right. In 3 days, your son's health will return to its natural state.
But Giselle, Miko's been suffering for more
And
than
what
that.
about all the others? The creature's noxious gas was inhaled by hundreds of innocent onlookers. The others are also sick.
And none was cured.
I considered it. All the people injured are still inhaling that gas.
Miko, what do you have there?
Let me have that.
No, it's mine. Please don't take it away. That bottle is in my room and it's mine. Give it to me.
Miko,
Please,
this bottle was
leave me
planted here
alone,
by the enemy.
please. Don't do that. Why are you taking it away? Don't do that.
Miko. No, take it easy. Yazawa, the enemy has destroyed all those who inhaled the gas.
Don't worry. Now that we know it, we'll eliminate the supply.
Thank goodness. We have to tell the others. There are so many that are still inhaling the gas.
They'll know what to do. We have to warn everyone of the danger right away. I'll leave immediately. Your son will be all right. You just keep away from that small bottle of gas you've been inhaling. Miko, stop that. Try to relax. Miko, you have to relax. I want you to take several good breaths. Do as you're told. You're not to eat anything tonight, you hear? Now promise you won't eat anything.
You get out of here.
He's in agony.
He'll be all right, either tonight or tomorrow morning. What Miko needs now is rest. You don't have to worry.
Just get out of here. Get out. I want you all to get out of here.
Right, I think it would be best if we got out of here. There's no sense in aggravating your poor son.
Yes. Tomoko, let's leave our son alone to rest.
All right.
It's the best thing.
Why don't you all go?
Goldar thought he put one over on us by killing Claw. While he and Gam were kept busy, our men were putting those bottles of poison gas in the homes of thousands. When the poison takes full effect, the victim will be on our side.
Miko's a victim now. In another 72 hours or so, all the people affected will carry out our orders.
Ha! Horanda's plan was very clever, wasn't it?
Yes, sir. The gas is in small containers. No one will discover who put the gas in those thousands of houses. If we get positive results, we'll continue this operation. We'll know soon.
Joining forces will prove profitable.
I will now start to concentrate on the destruction of Goldar. It'll take a little time.
I've tried to destroy the Space Avenger for a long time. Perhaps you can do better.
My plans have never failed.
Then while you concentrate on getting rid of Goldar, I have my own job to do. Another exploding device must be put on the remaining H-bombs that can be operated by remote control.
The idea is a good one.
By accomplishing this, we won't have to be in the same area when we set off the bombs. It's absolutely foolproof. Once we install the device, no one can follow us to the location of the bombs. We'll set one off and destroy an entire country.
I'm anxious to see that.
There's the device. All we have to do is install it, and our troubles are over. Show them the mechanism.
Yes, sir.
There's only one man who can install it, an expert by the name of Yasawa.
Miko, you must rest. It'd be a good idea.
No! I want... You took that bottle away.
Calm down, Miko.
Get out of here!
Take it easy. You're being childish, Miko. You've got to relax. All right. Go on. Swing again. Well, go on.
Get out of here! Papa! Papa, get Yazawa out of here!
Miko! No, don't go in there.
My boy. So you're Nancy? Yazawa's daughter.
He's coming now. Oh.
Ah, Nancy, you're out of school early.
Mm-hmm. I was just passing by Miko's house and decided to see you.
Much better. Don't worry. By tomorrow, your son will be okay.
Oh.
How can we express our thanks?
It was a rough night, and it's good to see the day again. Everything's fine.
You're wonderful, Papa.
Thank you. It's the start of a great day.
He's healthy again. I'm so happy.
Yazawa, thank you. Thank you so very much.
I wondered if Miko would survive that awful gas. I was worried. Our son's going to be all right. Thank goodness.
Mm-hmm.
Papa, you look tired, are you?
Was it lonely at the house since I wasn't there last night?
Oh, Papa, I'm just concerned that after last night you're all right.
Get Yazawa a little food.
Yes. I'll make something for each of you. I'm going to be late. Oh, I'm already late for dance class. Well, it was very nice to meet everyone today. So long. Bye-bye now.
Take good care. A good daughter.
Thanks. I couldn't do without her. See you later.
Murakawa でございますが。あ、矢沢さんですか？ It's for you.
Thank you. Yes, speaking. How's that again?
I'm trying to tell you about your daughter, so better pay attention. I've kidnapped Nancy. I'm assuming you will keep this quiet for your daughter's sake. You will now instruct her to come to this place immediately. I'll give you the address.
Right away. All right.
You look strange.
Mura, that phone call was an emergency. I'd better see you later.
Yazawa. Yazawa!
He refuses to do it. What?
That's right.
Do you realize what you're doing?
It's my duty to serve my nation, Schneider. I cannot use my daughter to turn traitor.
Is that so? You'll do exactly as you're told. Traitor or no traitor.
Alder. Schneider, this is all a waste of valuable time.
But, sir,
We'll see how patriotic he is with his flesh and blood. Bring his daughter in here.
Let me go. Get your hands off me.
No, hold him.
Please, don't hurt my father.
Miranda, do what you want with me. But let Nancy leave here freely. This doesn't concern my daughter.
Get her in here.
Nancy!
Papa,
Let me see my daughter.
don't worry, Daddy. They didn't hurt me. Don't listen to these monsters.
But Nancy,
You talk so courageously. Let's see how courageous you are.
wait a minute. Tell me what you need.
go along with our orders explicitly and she won't get hurt.
Papa!
Explain what your orders are.
We are in need of your talent to set a fuse.
What else?
Don't, Papa!
An H-bomb is waiting. Decide.
Papa!
That's odd. Mr. Yazawa running out like that. Sounds like Rodak's work. I think he's in danger.
Don't worry about Mr. Yazawa, Miko. If he thought there was any danger, he would certainly have informed us. Now eat.
You could be right. His daughter never got to dance class.
I think Horonda wants Mr. Yazawa out of the way. I'd bet you anything something's wrong.
What do you think?
Mura, I tend to agree.
We'll think of something.
The day I found that gas bottle, I found Mr. Gordon near the house.
You mean that?
Mm-hmm.
That could imply that Gordon has some connection with the Orange Order, which means he's a spy. If Mr. Gordon turned into an informer, then everybody's in plenty of trouble.
Huh? Mr. Gordon, a spy for the enemy? I must tell the United Nations. Oh, Gordon overheard everything I said. He's trying to escape.
Mr. Gordon is running. If he's going to see Horonda, that could be good news.
He could lead us right to Nancy and Yazawa.
Here he comes.
Is everything all set?
Yes. Then get up.
Schneider? Sir. Advise Rodak that Yazawa did well and everything is all set.
Yes, sir. Aranda!
What are you doing at the secret headquarters?
Sir, I regret to inform you that they found out about me.
They're stupid to come here. If they tailed you, then they found out about this headquarters. And you have outlived your usefulness to this organization. As a result, now you'll die.
Listen, Papa. I hear shots in a building.
Gordon is hiding around here. We better hurry, Miko. Huh. Oh.
Avengers! That's Nico's signal. Father and I have to hurry because Nico is in trouble.
Yes. Are you all set?
Yes, let's go quickly.
Goldar and Gam transform into rockets.
Look! They're coming!
It's perfect. We'll wait till they get to the area where the H-bomb is located, then blow them to bits.
They're here!
What's wrong? Goldar's weapons have no effect.
We'll be leaving in a plane, and we'll be listening for that explosion.
Let us go.
Papa?
I had the feeling they'd do this to us. It won't work this time.
Then, what you mean is that it won't explode?
That's right, my child. I substituted one of the highly sensitive components. Now I have to remove the device that contains a tiny explosive.
Ah.
The bomb. I'm about to destroy an entire country with this device.
Where could the monster have gone?
Another 60 seconds to go.
We better go there. Huh.
really be all right?
Papa, talk to me.
Take it easy, Nancy.
Papa? Papa!
Are you okay? Mr. Yazawa. Papa, look. He's opening his eyes.
Is everyone all right? How's my daughter?
Papa, take it easy. Can you hear? Your daughter's okay.
That's good. Take care of yourself, Nancy. And don't forget that I love you. Don't worry. I'll get well fast enough. Don't worry.
Papa!
Nancy.
Papa's all right. Just get my father an ambulance now. He must get well fast and return home. It's very important that he go to the hospital now.
We already called for a military ambulance. We'll get your father well quickly. Your father's always been a strong man. He'll recover at the hospital. Are you all right, son?
Miko. Get hold of yourself. Your assistance is needed. While Yazawa's recovering, we've got to go on searching. A bomb's still hidden, and we've got to locate it.
Papa!
Your father's a great soldier, very valuable in the fight against Rodak to save this planet.
Papa.
Mura, this bomb must be carried far away. Bring Goldar.
Gam and Goldar leave their base to answer Miko's signal to dispose of the bomb. But there's still a third bomb to reckon with.
Look, men! The Space Avenger! What is he doing here?
The Earthlings called Goldar and Gam to carry the bomb away. We've got to stop them. This time they won't succeed. Now I have the Space Avenger exactly where I want him. What's this? How can those ships disappear into thin air?
Our instruments show that wasn't Goldar and Gam, sir.
What do you mean?
Those were only illusions set up by a special space projector. They disappeared when the projector was switched off.
What? That was a decoy we followed, while the real Goldar carried the H-bomb away. I'll get revenge if it's the last thing I do.
The plan succeeded.
Is this a projector? I've never seen one that looked like that. We should use it again.
I don't like to rely on this thing, but you are in danger. We cannot rely on it since it drains your own energy.
That's dangerous.
Of course. That projector operates on the energy in your rockets. If the projector's used too often, you'll grow weak.
I understand.
Where did you take the explosive after you finally carried it away? To a good location, I trust?
Sir, we decided to drop it in one of the deep parts of the Atlantic Ocean. I'm sure that most of the whales were a bit shocked when they saw that thing land in their homes.
Sir, since there is one more H-bomb to find, our troubles are far from over.
I'm aware of that. And only Rodak or Haranda know where it is. I want those two watched.
Yes, sir. By keeping a tail on them, they will lead us to the third hidden H-bomb.
They're not to know that we're watching them. Rodak should be pretty angry, and his temper will force him to make a move quickly. We've got to beat him to the punch, Goldar.
You're right, Methuselah.
I've got to make a new plan. Quickly.
Rodak, we got the poison gas out of what was left of the creature claw. I think we should use that poison gas to destroy a lot of Earthlings.
Excellent. Now who will spread it for us? Sir? Yes.
Oh, what about Haranda?
Good idea. Haranda's perfect. Say that the gas is transported to Horanda's headquarters. Immediately.
That's the story. Yazawa died in the hospital.
I was shocked when I learned it. I don't know what I'm going to do without Yazawa's help. He was an excellent leader, a man of great abilities.
Yazawa is not dead.
My boy.
I think what I want. He's living in my heart. Men like Yazawa don't really die. As far as I'm concerned, he'll go into battle and be with us wherever we are. So you see, I prefer to think of him now as being alive and not dead.
Miko, thanks. I understand you. You're a brave girl, man.
I think exactly as you do.
Papa, I don't think it's a monster.
It's a saucer. We'd better investigate.
We changed the gas to a liquid so you could work with it easily. It will affect the brains of millions of Earthlings who will then listen. Then they must obey the orders of Rodak.
Rodak and I will win this time.
The plan is called Claw. It will result in a huge network of spies.
By next week, we'll rule Earth.
Rodak is now filling the air with disease, and the Earthlings will soon grow sick and die.
The gas is working. Have Horanda spread it in more cities.
Yes, sir.
Everything is going according to your original schedule. I'll attack New York. When the people of that city are destroyed, the rest of the cities will fall easily.
Good. Make preparations to attack New York immediately.
I already did that.
Good thinking.
Summon 3 additional units right away.
I'll tell you. Yes, sir. Sir, the city of Lodi is suffering heavy casualties.
I'll check into it at once. Well, the diagnosis is very similar. Then Rodak was the one who did it to Miko. Huh?
Yes.
But, Papa, that gas came from Claw, Rodak's creature. We all saw Goldar destroy it. Right, sir?
If the monster isn't alive, how can he give off a dangerous gas?
The situation is getting worse. The victims of that special gas have all grown hysterical, and there aren't enough doctors and hospitals to treat them.
Here comes Mother.
The dangerous areas are far from New York.
And Rodak is trying to attack that city.
Earthlings are doing the best they can to survive the poisonous gas. Sir, it looks pretty hopeless. All I can report is that between now and the next day or so, everyone living in New York City will become victims.
Methuselah. It won't help the Earthlings to lock themselves in their houses. There are too many ways for that gas to get in.
I know that. And I can't find any way to stop it.
But there has to be a way, sir. We can't sit by and let Rodak attack New York.
We have to find a cause before we find a cure.
What do you mean, sir?
I first have to learn how Rodak is getting that gas into all these cities around the Earth. Till then, I can do nothing.
That's strange. Why is that the only factory working? Where? Take a look. You're right. I don't get it, Mura. That smokestack is spreading the gas. Smokestack? I think that's what's doing it. Let's tell the commander right now. Yes.
Surround the area right now. Don't waste any time.
Yes, sir. Miko, you better remain here.
Okay.
Get ready. Forward.
They're trapped down there. Don't let anyone go.
Yes, sir.
Papa, we better call the Space Avengers.
Goldar is coming down. Goldar, what do we do?
Aranda, you and your organization, the Orange Order, must be destroyed.
Battalion, charge!
Aranda! We've got to get out of here right now!
Okay.
Mura, look!
They're escaping.
We're surrounded! Go on, drop your guns and give up. Throw them on the ground.
Kita, shut off the apparatus that's working. Hurry. Okay.
Papa!
I put the fire out down below. That's good.
The gas had no effect on any of our own organizations.
Why?
We were inoculated.
Where is the vaccine stored?
It's hidden at our headquarters. However, we don't have enough for the suffering thousands to cure them.
We'll analyze the antidote. By doing that, our scientists can get the composition of the vaccine and duplicate it.
In such a short time.
Mura, we must make sure that the antidote is duplicated.
Schneider, the last hydrogen bomb, where is it hidden?
Wouldn't you like to know?
Where's the bomb?
You don't think for 1 minute I'll give you that location. Rodak and Horonda will soon rescue me, and when that happens, you'll have to give up.
Because the Earthlings were able to duplicate the antidote for the gas, we are not able to use it effectively any longer. Therefore, we have no choice but to use the third H-bomb.
And I say that the third explosive definitely shouldn't be used just yet. While we have it, the Earthlings are afraid. On the supposition that if anything goes wrong with the last one, it would give us a weak position. They won't listen to us after that.
You are no one to give suggestions or orders, Horonda.
Say that again.
You heard me. From now on, I'm taking full charge of the operation. So far, everything you have done has failed. If it weren't for my rescuing you from Goldar, you would have been destroyed. I will give all the orders, and you will obey them. You will remain in charge of your men, but under my jurisdiction. It's about time you reported. What information have you?
News of importance. The wounds Goldar inflicted on Dillis have healed, and now there's nothing wrong with the monster. We are preparing to have the creature launch the last hydrogen bomb.
Excellent. I think it's time that New York City was blown off the map.
Dillis is going to launch the missile shortly? I'll tell the organization.
You're to give them the following instructions. They are to return to the original base of operations where we hid the second H-bomb. Since Goldar already destroyed it, that'll be the last place anyone will think of looking.
An excellent idea.
Also inform them that the bomb is hidden just across the Hudson River in New Jersey. And to transfer the bomb to the original headquarters. There, they will have to set the nuclear warhead and make final preparations for launching. They will then leave promptly and travel at least 100 miles from that area to ensure their safety. I will then summon Dillis to launch the H-bomb. Now get to your transmitter and inform your men of my instructions.
What are you hiding there?
Mura.
This is Horonda calling Schneider. Please come in. This is Horonda calling Schneider. Please come in.
Yes, Horonda. Go ahead. This is Schneider.
Are you safe? Is everything all right?
Yes, sir.
What happened to Goldar?
I think he returned to his base.
Good. Pay very close attention to these instructions.
Horonda, don't
There's
speak.
little time, so listen carefully. The H-bomb will be placed back at the old operation.
Sir, don't say another word.
Commander, we must get hold of the last H-bomb quickly.
We'd better inform Goldar. From this point on, the safety of the world is on the shoulders of the Space Avenger.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Goldar,
Yes, sir?
I want you to take this cloth with you when you go into battle. It will protect you against the H-bomb.
Thank you, sir. I have to destroy Dillis.
お父さん。
心してゆけ。はい。
songwriter!
Ida is now in jail.
What?
If you resist, we will shoot.
Fire!
I'll get those Earthlings for this. Dallas, start your attack. Destroy everything.
Hava, Dillis has a bomb and he's going to use it.
This is the end. Who can stop it now?
Goldar!
Hi, hurry! I want you men to protect each side of that barrier.
Yes, sir.
Wait, Simmons. Listen to me carefully. Rodak is betraying you. If you set off the hydrogen bomb, it will destroy you. Rodak is sending you to destruction. Don't listen to him, Dallas. Goldar's only trying to trick you. Goldar knows that if the hydrogen bomb is detonated, he will never survive. He doesn't care about you, only himself. Do you think I would send you into such a battle if you weren't strong enough? Set off the bomb. Point it toward New York.
You're going to regret this, Phyllis.
The bomb was launched. New York's about to be destroyed. It's too late, Goldar. There's no escaping New York's destruction.
Fly, Goldar. Your rocket is faster than the Earthling. You must stop that bomb.
The bomb should hit New York in about 60 seconds. After it strikes, the mushroom cloud will cover the city. Under it, there will be nothing but destruction. That's all. Attention! This is an emergency! Goldar is headed this way with the missile! What? Quickly! Get the ship out of here! We can't match the power of the...
Boss, you don't go 対抗戦で追加ミサイルを撃ち落とせ。くるな。
覚えてろ。この借りは必ず返すぞ。